the 19th of October, according to documents obtained by the U.S. Army. U.S. Army was accused of running to North Korea and demanding child pornography in July. The Army's case against King, which has not been notified before, has been released from the custody of North Korea in September, creating an important legal war for the 23-year-old soldier, and contains 8 separate accusations under Military Justice Code. In a statement provided by a family spokesman, King's mother Claudine Gates expressed her unconditional love and asked her son to have the assumption. Gates, the I-raised man I left in the training camp, who had a holiday with me before he was deployed. A mother knows her son and believes that something happened to mine while being deployed. Urdu promised to investigate what happened in Camp Humphreys, and I am waiting for the results. For weeks, U.S. Army postponed questions about whether King would receive disciplinary punishment, and said that the priority was to ensure that soldier gets appropriate care after being held by North Korea for 2 months. In September, release of North Korea followed negotiations behind stage, which caused Swedish government take King in North Korea and bring it to Chinese border for U.S. ambassador disposal. King flew to a military hospital in Texas on the 28th of September for medical assessments, including mental health. The King's treatment custody of North Korea did not still explain to public why he had fled to one most exclusive countries in world on July 19. However, the Army's accusation page blames a wide abuse before this incident, including attempting to escape the U.S. military custody in October 2022. The U.S. Army military Travis King is involved in the undated photo obtained by FilePhoto in this unknown place. In July 2023, King was accused of asking for a Snapchat user to deliberately and willingly produce child pornography. He was also accused of having child pornography. He was also accused of disobedience for abandoning his base after the curfew and drinking alcohol by violating the Army arrangements. Family spokesman Jonathan Franks said in a statement that King's family rented a legal team containing Franklin Rosenblatt, who served as the leading military defense lawyer during the court fight against Bowie Bergdahl, to defend him. Bergdahl was an army sergeant organized by the Taliban for 5 years after he released his post in Afghanistan in 2009. Instead of paying a fine, King South Korea chose more than a month in custody. After being released from South Korean detention, King returned home in the United States. The third accusation against the King was abandoned. The Army said that King had left the Army in South Korea to stay away from South Korea and said there was not much on escape until September 27, 2023, or about the 27th of September.